received my long-awaited FedEx package from New Zealand. I'm going to do an unboxing here. Alright. Alright, here it is. The R2-D2 Star Wars. Third release of the Star Wars series from the New Zealand Mint. I'll remove this in just a second. And I have number 1832 out of the 2,000 that were minted. So, I've learned a technique that you can try. So, the day that they released the Chibi coins, which if you're in the United States is always going to be on a, well, it's going to be the day before the actual release date. So I'm in Alabama, so I'm Central Time. So, and the New Zealand Mint's releases are 10 a.m. New Zealand time. So for me, that is 4 o'clock p.m. And if you're Eastern Time, that'll be 5 o'clock p.m. And of course, if you're, if you go west, you get to your Mountain and Pacific Time, you're going to be looking at about 3 p.m., 2 p.m. on the West Coast on the day of the New Zealand release. So what I do is I actually, so it's going to be released at 10 a.m. New Zealand time. I go ahead and log in at 4 p.m. Central Time, my time. Go ahead and log in on New Zealand Mint website. And as soon as the release drops, I go ahead and add it to my card. So it saves me time, and I'm already signed in, and, whatnot. But I have noticed also, so if it's like 4 o'clock and you still haven't seen anything, if you keep refreshing your page, if you would go to the, at the top where it has latest releases, all coins, latest releases, sometimes you can find it there, because a lot of times you go down to the Chibi section, it won't be there. So go to the latest releases at the top of the New Zealand Mint website for all coins and refresh it, and you should see the new Chibi coin if you don't see it within a minute or two of the release. Okay, so here we go. So here it is right here. And by the way, this thing is sold out once, it is amazing. Sold out in less than an hour. I don't know the official time, but I know it's sold out in under 1 hour. So this definitely puts it on par with Chewbacca. Alright, so here's the obverse with the Queen. The country New Way, $2 denomination. 1 ounce, 3 nines, pure silver. So, very nice. So, it took a week for me to get it. We usually get my coins within 3 to 4 days after purchasing it, but it took a little bit longer this time. But it's all good, because, once I got that confirmation number, I was okay with that. So, that's what it looks like inside of the box with the cover removed. So yeah, this is the 10th release. And I noticed just a few days ago they added 3 more to the January list. So it looks like I'm going to be buying, more to come after December. So, which is good. I like the series, and this is a fun collection to have. So, and I also saw yesterday, I got an email about the November releases. You can get the, well, you could have got all 3 of the November releases with all the same serial numbers, matching serial numbers. But now that I'm actually logged onto New Zealand Mint website, just as a few minutes ago, I see that that deal is already sold out. So now I don't think that all of the Chibi coins for November are sold out. I just think the matching serial numbers that they were going to release are sold out. So you know, come the next release, you know, like I said, me personally, I'm not looking for the matching serial numbers. I just want to get, you know, the Chibi coin. But that would have been nice though. But so the next release, I'm just gonna just buy the coin. Like I said, I'm gonna do my method, logged in at 4 p.m. And I do this method, you know, especially if I think it's gonna be like a rapid, fast release. You know, I learned that from Chewbacca. And so I've been doing it ever since. But even if it's not going to be a sellout, you know, rapidly, I'm still going to go ahead and buy it. You know, signed in at 4 p.m. Central Time, my time. I'm still going to go ahead and buy it that way. Just to make sure that I can secure it and not have to worry about, you know, when is it going to sell out. You know, as long as I can go ahead and get the confirmation and sign in, then I'm happy about that. So, so yeah, we'll do another look. This is top of the box also. And I believe I would actually put this one in my stack this time. So, but yeah, so there it is, R2-D2, number 1,832 out of 2,000. So that's pretty awesome already.